Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the complex world of ecosystems. Have you ever wondered, how do ecosystems change over time? What makes some species more important than others in an ecosystem? Can ecosystems fully recover after natural disasters or human impact? Let's discover the hidden connections that keep our planet thriving. Succession in an ecosystem is the natural process of change and development over time, where different species gradually establish and shape the environment. There's two types, primary and secondary. In primary succession, life begins in areas with no previous ecosystem, like new volcanic islands or land uncovered by melting glaciers. In secondary succession, an ecosystem regrows after a disturbance, such as a wildfire or a flood, as plants and animals return and restore balance. Keystone species. These species have a huge impact on their ecosystem. For example, wolves in Yellowstone keep deer numbers in check, which helps plants grow and supports other animals that depend on those plants. Energy and nutrients move through ecosystems in cycles, supporting life and connecting all organisms in a web of interactions. Energy flow. Photosynthesis. Plants or producers use sunlight to create energy, forming the base of the food web. Food chains and webs. Energy moves from plants to herbivores to carnivores and decomposers in a connected food chain and food web. Nutrient cycles. The water cycle. Water moves through ecosystems as it evaporates, condenses, and returns as precipitation. Carbon and nitrogen cycles. Carbon and nitrogen are cycled between air, soil, plants, and animals, supporting growth and energy. Natural events and human activities can disrupt ecosystems, but they have remarkable ways of recovering and rebuilding. Natural disturbances. Events like wildfires, floods, and storms can damage ecosystems, but also create opportunities for new growth. Human impact. Activities like deforestation, pollution, and climate change can harm ecosystems by destroying habitats and upsetting natural cycles. Recovery process. Resilience and succession. Many ecosystems bounce back over time through primary or secondary succession, gradually restoring balance. Conservation efforts. Reforestation, pollution control, and protected areas help support ecosystem recovery. Here are some interesting facts about ecosystems. Rainforest canopies are like mini ecosystems with unique species of insects, birds, and plants that rarely touch the ground. The ocean is the largest ecosystem, covering about 70% of Earth's surface and supporting an incredible diversity of life. Polar ecosystems support entire food chains. Animals like polar bears and penguins thrive in extreme cold, while tiny algae survive on ice and snow. Let's quickly recap what we learned about ecosystems. What type of succession occurs on new land, like a lava field? Primary succession. What type of species has a large impact on its ecosystem? Keystone species. What do interconnected feeding relationships in ecosystems form? They form food webs. And lastly, to support growth, which elements are cycled between air, soil, plants, and animals? Carbon and nitrogen. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.